The ear is a remarkable sensory organ responsible for two crucial senses, hearing and balance. It's a marvel of engineering designed to capture sound waves, translate them into electrical signals, and transmit those signals to the brain for interpretation. Here's a breakdown of the ear's structure and anatomy. The three main parts of the ear can be broadly divided into three main sections, each playing a distinct role in the hearing and balance process. 1. Outer ear o visible portion called the auricle or pinna, which collects sound waves. O short external auditory canal that channels the sound waves towards the eardrum. O tympanic membrane eardrum, a thin membrane separating the outer and middle ear that vibrates in response to sound waves. 2. Middle ear o an air-filled cavity containing three tiny bones called the ossicles, the malleus hammer, incus anvil, and stapes stirrup. These bones transmit vibrations from the eardrum to the inner ear. O eustachian tube, a narrow tube that connects the middle ear to the back of the nose and throat. It helps to equalize pressure in the middle ear. 3. Inner ear o, also known as the labyrinth, a complex system of fluid-filled chambers and canals. O the cochlea, a snail-shaped structure that plays a vital role in hearing. It contains hair cells that convert sound vibrations into electrical signals. O the semicircular canals, three loop-shaped canals responsible for maintaining balance. They detect head movement through the movement of fluid within the canals. O the vestibule, a small chamber that connects the cochlea and semicircular canals. It also plays a role in balance. Working together, sound waves travel through the outer ear canal and strike the eardrum, causing it to vibrate. These vibrations are then transmitted by the ossicles in the middle ear, amplifying the sound waves. Finally, the vibrations reach the inner ear, where the cochlea converts them into electrical signals. These electrical signals are then sent through the auditory nerve to the brain, where they are interpreted as sound. The semicircular canals and vestibule in the inner ear work together to maintain balance. The fluid within these canals moves in response to head movement, sending signals to the brain about our body's position and orientation. By working in perfect harmony, these intricate parts of the ear allow us to experience the world around us in all its sonic richness and maintain our sense of balance.